The virtual reality landscape as you know it is dead, and Meta just pulled the plug on the future we were all promised. Right now, behind the closed doors of Mark Zuckerberg's tech empire, a massive, highly secretive internal war is being fought over the upcoming Meta Quest 4. If you own a Quest 3, a Quest Pro, or if you were saving up your hard-earned money to buy the next-generation VR headset, you need to freeze and pay close attention to every single second of this video, because what is leaking out of Reality Labs right now changes absolutely everything. You have likely seen the headlines, heard the tech channels gossiping, and watched the sudden delays that left the entire industry completely silent. But nobody is telling you the real, terrifying truth about what went wrong with Project Griffin, why the original design was completely thrown into the trash, and how Meta is secretly designing two radically different devices that will split the VR community right down the middle. This is not just a standard hardware refresh with a faster chip. This is a desperate, multi-billion-dollar gamble to destroy Apple and Valve once and for all, even if it means forcing you to completely change how you play games, work, and experience reality. To understand the sheer scale of the panic inside Meta right now, you have to look at the exact moment everything fell apart. Tech insiders and supply chain leaks originally confirmed that the Meta Quest 4 was locked in for a massive worldwide release. But behind the scenes, disaster struck. The engineering teams realized that if they launched the headset they had already built, it would be dead on arrival. Why? Because the competition shifted faster than anyone anticipated. With Valve quietly preparing its mysterious Steam Frame headset and Samsung dropping massive tech bombs with its high-end spatial computing gear, Zuckerberg realized that standard, heavy plastic bricks strapped to your face are officially a thing of the past. So they did something unthinkable. They took the blueprint for the Quest 4, ordered massive internal layoffs across the hardware division, and completely rebooted the entire development cycle from scratch. This reboot split Meta's future into two completely distinct paths. And the first device leaking out of the shadows is going to shock traditional VR gamers. Internal code and firmware leaks have revealed a radical, ultra-lightweight headset codenamed Puffin, which high-level insiders are calling the Quest Air. This is not a successor to the Quest 3. It is a completely new category of technology. Imagine a device that looks and feels like a pair of high-tech premium ski goggles or thick sports glasses